Hi everyone, today we will go through just a simple issue I was facing, which was related to how I can split an array, which is a long array, into a smaller array using JavaScript. So here is a small example in which I have added where a is equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 19 to the 15, and then I just want it to split into two parts. First one was the a, which is look like this, and the second one is to do this. So what I can do, except of using pop and other methods, I can simply use the splice. It's a best of one of the best thing we can find in the JavaScript. What it really does is just if I write down the array a dot splice, as you can see in VS Code, it gives you a lot of information regarding the how to use splice. Okay, so if I start from 0 to 5, then it will remove 1 2 3 4 5, and then all the values from 1 to 5 will be stored inside the B, and after the words will be stored inside the A. So how will it look like? I have just used an array dot for each, and here you can see we have used flat arrow. Here is the flat arrow, and then console.log element. So if I print all the elements inside the variable, inside the array a, it will look like, let's write in the terminal, node index.js. Okay, so it is printing 6 to 15. What if I change it to 12? How will it look like? Index, I just strike on the up button, it will shows the node index.js, which was my previous command, and then if I again enter, okay, oh sorry, I have to save that before doing. Okay, now again if I click on the node index.js, it will show me the rest of the numbers. And if you're thinking where the numbers were gone, it's stored inside the B. Like if I enter the B array, then it will show to me like this, 1 to 12. So that's how you can simply use the JavaScript and split the whole array inside the two without getting disturbed or changing or assigning extra array, extra elements to any variable. So that's it for from my side, and see you around.